Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to do the last part for Algebra 2 Regent for June 2019. And that's mean the sixth grade question, the last part 4. Griffin is riding his bike down the street in Churchville, New York, at a constant speed. When a nail gets caught in one of his tires, the height of the nail above the ground in inches can be represented by the trigonometric function if t equal to negative 13 cosine open parentheses point 0.8 pi t plus 30, where t represents the time in seconds since the nail first became caught in the tie. Determine the period b, the period of ft. So in that part, period equal to 2 pi over p. The b value here is 0.8 pi, so it's 2 pi over 0.8 pi, which is going to be 2.5. So the period is 2.5 seconds. Okay. Second part. Interpret what the period means in the context. So 2.5 seconds. 2.5 seconds means the time required to have a complete revolution of the tire, so the nail goes back to the floor, the first position. Okay. Now, on the grid below, graph at least one complete cycle. So the midline is 13. The amplitude is 13. The period 2.5. 2.5 means when I'm going to split it to 4 parts means divide by 4 is 0.625. After that 1 point okay 6 point okay 2.5 divided by 4 is 0.6 after that 10 to 5, yes. So the next part is at 1.25, after that 1.875, the last one at 2.5. Why I'm doing that? To know the interval. So midline is 13, amplitude is 13, and the period I divided to 4 parts. Now how can I'm doing it? Here I'm going to draw the x and y axis, and here's the time, and here's the height. So let's say I'm going to count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So what does it mean? Here I'm going to not here, go back. In the middle, that's my midline. Now 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. That's going to be my maximum. So let's say every C is going to represent 6.24. Every C is going to represent 6.24. Every C is going to be 6.24. Now, it starts from 0 because if you're looking for the amplitude, I should start by the maximum, but since it's negative, I have a reflection. So I start by the minimum. So it's going from here to here. There's midline, going backward to the maximum, going back to the midline, going back toward to the maximum, and that's going to be the minimum. That's 2.5. Now, the last part, does the height even reach 30? No. Why? Because the maximum is going to be 26. How is that? The midline plus the amplitude. So 13 plus 13 is 26. And while we graphed it, it showed that it doesn't go for 26. I hope you understood, and that's the end for that part. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.